Hi everyone, my name is Tana Bartels, and this is my Unit 14 and final screencast of the semester for ATM 101 Weather and Climate of Alaska. This will be a weather analysis of Bethel, Delta, and Kenai. Bethel is located at 61 degrees north and 162 degrees west. Delta is located at 64 degrees north and 146 degrees west. And Kenai is located at 61 degrees north and 151 degrees west. This slide has the monthly average temperatures for all three locations, Bethel, Delta, and Kenai. Each picture states the recorded low in the blue, the recorded high in the red, and the average in the middle. This is the station data for Bethel, Delta, and Kenai from January to February of 2020. The temperatures for all three locations were a bit colder than normal. Kenai warmed up first. Bethel and Delta didn't jump up until the end of the recorded temperatures. All three locations had very similar pressure, and even the dew point temperature and the relative humidity were pretty similar. This next slide is the station data for Bethel, Delta, and Kenai for the month of March 2020. Bethel consistently stayed above average until Saturday and Sunday. Delta was pretty close to average until Thursday when it dropped, and Kenai was all over the board but passed along the average temperature almost once a day. The pressure was pretty consistent between all three locations, and so was the relative humidity and the dew point temperatures. Now we're going to take a look at some of the satellite images. This is Sunday, January 26, 2020. We see three highs at 1,034, 1,025, and 1,023. And then we also see three lows at 972, 984, and 989. We have a couple of included fronts, one right here, and one right here. And then we also had some snow, but it looked like Delta was the only location that got snow that day. This is Sunday, February 2nd, 2020. We have a low at 953 and a high at 1,034. We see another included front. And then we also have a lot of rain. There was also some snow in the Bethel and Kenai area. This is Sunday, March 22nd, 2020. We have a low at 1,015, a high at 1,030, a low at 1,006, and another high at 1,047. There is little rain down below, and again a lot of snow. It looks like Delta will be getting some snow. This is the last satellite slide, and this is Sunday, March 29th, 2020. We have a high at 1,036 and 1,027, and a couple of lows at 991 and 989. There was a lot of precipitation this day. We have some rain and a lot of snow, as you can see. It looks like, though, all three locations will be clear this day.